Hi there, my name is Shingang and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer the question, what color is it? Okay, let's get started. For example, when someone asks you a question, what color is it? In English, you may answer, it's blue, in case the object is blue. Of course, when you say the answer, you don't need to indicate the object because the speaker and the listener both know which object is being referred to, right? In Korean, the casual or informal version of the answer is 파란색이야. One more time. 파란색이야. We can just answer 파란색이야. This version can be used between your close friends. And the polite or formal version of that is 파란색입니다. One more time. 파란색입니다. We can just say 파란색입니다. This version can be used when you talk to a senior person. Okay? Here. 파란색 means blue in English. Okay? Today, I've talked about how to answer the question, what color is it? In the next lesson, you'll be learning how to say, I have something in Korean. Okay? Remember that. The key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click the subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.